He's back, and ladies and gentlemen, we could not be happier for the man who saved the audience, the guests at Walt Disney World Resort. The guy who stopped the boulder has returned. Cast member injured by a runaway boulder returns to Indiana Jones Stuntshow at Hollywood Studios. This is the story out of Blog Mickey. Back in late December of 2025, an iconic scene at the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular went off track. Literally. During a performance of the long-running show, the 400-pound boulder jumped the tracks during an opening scene of the show. As it bounced towards guests, cast member Robert Herrick jumped into action to put himself between the dangerous prop and guests sitting in the first few rows of the show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, he knew how much this thing weighs. 400 pounds moving at you, kids in the front row. This could have been a very, very bad situation, but Herrick was heroic and leapt in front of the boulder. It says Herrick was injured after the boulder impacted him and sent him flying. Now he's back to work. Let's see. I don't know if we've got the video in this. It was very impressive. We covered this in detail. And it goes on to talk about it. You know, it's a 400-pound rubber prop boulder. And Herrick, who is a 36-year veteran of the show. That's right, folks. You heard that right. He's not 36 years old. He's been doing the show for 36 years. Was seated nearby, was out of his seat before most people in the theater had processed what was happening. He planted himself between the boulder and the crowd, took the full force of the prop, and listen, he had blood visible on his head. It was really, really tough. An audience reaction said it all. He literally saved our lives, is what was said. His injuries were significant. He fractured 2 vertebrae in his neck. His C6 and C7 received 6 stitches, wore a neck brace for 8 weeks. And despite it all, never said a thing about being heroic. Quote, if I could be a speed bump for that boulder so that it didn't make it to the audience, I was going to do that, he said. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The morning after the incident, it was documented the modified version of the show Disney implemented immediately. Rather than the boulder rolling down towards Indiana Jones in the opening temple sequence, the stunt performer simply does a flip and the scene ends. The modified version of the show remains in place to this day, which, by the way, we don't like. Disney needs to find a way to get the boulder back and keep it from bouncing out into the audience. I think that's lazy. Come on, Disney, fix it. But anyway, you know, if you had to have your druthers, I'd rather it not hit somebody in the audience, that's for sure. But still, it's lazy, Disney. You can put up something that, you know, keeps the bouncing ball from bouncing out to the crowd. Now, Herrick is back, it says. WFTV reported that he returned to the show this week, performing again on Friday. His fellow cast members marked the occasion with a sign that read, "Welcome back, Robert. The boulder didn't stop you." Another message called him an inspiration to us all. Per WFTV, Herrick's return is less about headlines and more about routine. He spent decades in the role and has consistently described returning to his epic family, that's the stunt show, not Epic Universe, as the thing he's looked forward to the most. All right, this is pretty darn amazing. We'll get the video in just a second, but as we get ready to go into this, panel, anybody who wants to go first, you're welcome to. What a hero, and what a great story that he's returned. I hope Disney treats him. I mean, he should be a king. Wherever he goes at Disney, he saved them and he saved the guests in a huge, huge way.
Well, for one, he better get a blue name tag as quickly as possible.
Right. Well, tell the audience what a blue name tag is.
So blue name tag is unique because it's your fellow cast members that actually vote that for you. But it only comes up, I think, once a year where they can vote for the legacy. It's like a Disney legacy cast member. It's not the same as, hey, you're a Disney legacy person, but it's cast member in the parks, and you get a special name tag. It's a blue name tag. If you ever see somebody that has a blue name tag, that means they are revered by their fellow cast members. This is what he did was incredible, heroic. It absolutely saved lives. If that would have hit some little child or something, oh my gosh. I mean, I know it probably,
it doesn't look like that, but it's true, Ron.
Yeah. It looks like maybe like a balloon or something. It's not. It's a very, very heavy. Think a 400-pound medicine ball. If you've ever been to the gym and used a medicine ball, this is a 400-pound version of that. And the thing is, look how he looked when he went down. I mean, bam! Yeah. It's just
it threw him.
Surprised. It could have ended him. It could have ended him if he would have hit.
He basically used himself as a shield. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, if that had hit the crowd, he has now. It wasn't fun to have room to give, but it bounces him back. If it had hit the crowd in the audience, it's going to hit them against their chairs. 400 pounds pushing up against you with velocity in your chair. And for a 5-year-old, that is, I mean, it's over. So what this man did really did save lives.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, look, maybe he wants to go back to Disney and work. I feel like Disney should like give him $1 million and retire.
They should. I mean, a blue tag is like the little. This guy should be in the parades, you know. Like,
yeah,
he should be.
What's the name of that car that takes you before the parade starts? I forget.
Exactly, the lead.
The cavalcade.
He did.
No, it's not the cavalcade. It's the Festival of Fantasy. There's a special vehicle that has like people that they select.
Yeah.
I just forget
I'm going
what
to say
it's called.
something. I'm going to say something. I don't even think this is controversial. I think this man did more for Walt Disney World than Bob Iger could have ever hoped to in his entire career. And I'm serious about that.
Give him a Disney Legend Award, will you?
Well, you know, what's amazing is he's got a second to make that decision. And it's very easy to say, who's going to do it? I'm 50, whatever, I'm 60, whatever. And instead, that didn't happen. He didn't sit there and think about, oh, well, somebody else is going to do it. It was him. Nobody else was coming. And in an instant, he jumped in front and stopped it. And, you know, if that had hit kids, it would have changed their lives forever if they had a life left to go. So what a guy. And, you know, I don't understand this. Disney can put up poles that prevent the boulder from coming off the track. They can put up little poles that would be hard to even see, but that would prevent the boulder. Why can't Disney do this the right way? I mean, just, you know, bring the boulder back and make it where it can't jump the track. Good grief.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully later on they'll streamline it. How long do you guys think, in your opinions, this show will this stunt show will continue on for at Hollywood Studios? I'm curious.
It's 10 years past when it probably should have been retired. So
okay. Well, we have a new Indiana Jones opening in Animal Kingdom, so maybe they'll revamp this one and make it more entertaining or add
I just don't know what to do.
Effects to it.
I don't know what to do with the franchise. Lauren and I have talked about this before. You know, Crystal Skull was such a horrible movie. And then they managed to make something worse with the last one, Dial of Destiny. I mean, holy cow. I just, you know, why did they emasculate and destroy their heroes? But they did. And so now I don't know what you do with the franchise anymore.
Yeah.
You know, we took our heroes and gave them unhappy stories like to the max.
Yeah. Like not just Indiana Jones, but it just seemed like every single one of the childhood heroes were like, hey, let's see how they are as a decrepit old person who doesn't want to live life anime. Like,
right. And
why?
The crazy thing is, if you live your life in the right way, then your old age could be, not always, but perhaps would be the kind of life where you would look back and you would take great pleasure in what you did. And instead, we get to the end of all the lives of these characters that they decided. And it's like, I'm Indiana Jones. Life sucks. Marion hates me.
It's like the popularity of it is going to
lost control of my bowels. And my son died in the war.
Oh my God.
My clothes are dirty. My hair is gone. My shoulders are flabby. I can't get out of my chair. All I do is gum down Jell-O. I'm pretty sure I don't believe in God. Don't believe in God or hope or love. Yeah, I'm describing Harrison now. Sorry, I could keep going. I mean, it's just
what direction are they going to go in for the new attraction?
Well, hopefully happier than what we did. Yeah.
What's the one at Disneyland?
Are they honing in on any particular Indiana Jones movie, or is it just
it's going to be snakes? Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Snakes. I don't know about a guy named Snakes.
Yes, not bad. A cross preference. They're a cross. So yeah, I think it'll be Indiana Jones. Instead of snakes, he's now afraid of joy and happiness. Had to be joy. All right. Well, folks, this guy here, though, he saved the day and kept the show going. And not only that, but kept lives going. Kudos to him. And one more time, we'll call out his name. Let me pull up the article real quick again. It was
his name.
That's right. It's all in a name, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Herrick. What is Mr. Herrick's first name? Come on, Mr. Herrick. It is Robert Herrick. Sorry about that, Robert Herrick. And I don't know if he may go as Bob, but Robert Herrick. What a man, what a hero. Way to save the day. And we need more people like this in the parks, but also beyond. Be a Rob. And I think you'll be making the world a better place.
Thanks for watching That Park Plays News. For more information, consider checking out www.thatparkplace.com. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and send this out on your favorite social media accounts.